Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to create a professional PDF invoice for your Shopify store for your products on your page from scratch. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple. And the first thing that you guys need to do is you need to head on over to your Shopify account and make sure that you're logged in as an administrator. So as you can see here, here's what my shop looks like, and here's what the dashboard is. So the idea is we would want to get access to the Shopify App Store. And to get there, there are a couple ways, but the easiest way is to simply click on the drop down for apps, like so, and select the app and sales channel settings. So when we click on this, we'll be redirected to this little page right here, where we would want to click on Shopify App Store. And what's going to happen is this is going to open up a new tab showing us all of the compatible tools and plugins that we can integrate with our Shopify. So from here, you guys would want to click on the search bar like so and type PDF invoice just like that. And the one that you'd want to opt for here is Wi-Fi order printer PDF invoice, which is this one right here. Or if you guys wanted to, you could also do Avada order printer, as it gives you the flexibility or the option to create PDF invoices to see more professional. However, the one that I would opt for is Wi-Fi, as this one's actually built for Shopify. So what that means is that all of the features that would normally come with creating an invoice in PDF would integrate seamlessly with your store, and there should be no problems. So you guys simply want to click on this just like that, and you'll be redirected to this page right here where you would need to install the application. So I'm just going to click on install, and it's going to open up a new tab where we basically get to authorize Wi-Fi to integrate with our Shopify store. So simply click on install just like that. And the thing about this is it does come with paid plans as well as free plans, but we'll be opting for the free one here, as it pretty much provides all the fundamentals we need. So because we're looking to create PDFs as invoices, so if you guys read this, it says automatic delivery of PDF invoices for all orders or specific orders if needed. So that's cool. So we're basically just going to use this tool to design a PDF invoice that will be sent to our customers every time they engage with our site or online store. So we're going to wait for it to load. Let's actually refresh this real quick. And here we are. Okay, so it's basically templates where we get to design it. We can select whichever one we want as our baseline or a template. You can add a QR code to it, so it looks very professional. You can configure a template, and yeah, that's all there is to it. So use Wi-Fi, and you guys should be good to go. So yeah, that's the video. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.